Riya and Robo, the secret rule game. One morning, Riya walked into her classroom. She stopped and looked. Some picture cards were spread on the table. Riya felt curious. Robo smiled at Riya. I have a game for you, Robo said. It is called the secret rule game. Riya's eyes lit up. I have a rule in my mind, Robo said, but I will not tell you the rule. Riya leaned closer. She wanted to figure it out. How will I know the rule? Ria asked. But looking carefully, Robo said gently. Ria nodded and picked up the first card. The first card showed a cat. Robo put it put it in the yes box. The next card showed a dog. Robo put it in the yes box too. Ria watched closely. The next card showed a bird. Robo put it in a no box. Then came a fish. It went in a no box too. Ria frowned and thought, cat and dog are yes, bird and fish are no. These cards are different, Ria said. Robo watched quietly. Ria guessed, is this the rule animals that live in the houses? Robo shook his head. No, he said gently. Ria looked at the yes